right, let's take a look at this one. I can honestly say I've never done a video of one of these cars. I've never seen one in person. This is the first time. What this is a 1925 Star Model F Touring. The Star was actually a automobile marquee that was assembled by Durant Motors. Of course, Durant Motors was established in 1921 by former General Motors CEO William Durant. This car is all steel, no fiberglass fenders, anything like that. As you can see, wood spokes in the wheels, nice shape. Also appeared to have some varnish put on along the line, help protect them. The metal on it and paint and everything, nice shape on this car. Call this kind of a nice driver quality paint and quality of car. It's got to be a lot of fun as far as parades, your local cruise-ins, kind of just out for that afternoon fun cruise. You won't see these every day going into your local shows. Is powered by an inline 6-cylinder underneath the hood that's paired with a 3-speed manual transmission. Of course, these were designed and built to compete with the Model A's after Durant had left General Motors. They were actually produced between 1922 and 28, the Stars were. If you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the engine bay, the interior, underside of the car, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com, or down below this video in the description. You're going to see a link. Click on it, that'll take you to our website where this car is listed at. You can sure feel free to call us too, 507-386-1726. Be happy to help you out with anything on this vehicle. Let's go ahead and take a look at the interior. Also very nice shapes, nice and tidy under the hood. What you'd expect out of a older restored classic like this one. Now once again, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can sure assist you with getting this car shipped to where you're located at. You can see the top on this car. It is put up in the still pictures. There's also side curtains for it. So there are side curtains that come along with it. That'll all be included. I think there's some extra parts. Check those out in the still pictures. Those should all be pictured up. And again, those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below the description of this vehicle. That'll take you there. 507-386-1726 is the number you can be reached at. I will show you the interior. We'll open up the driver's door here. And once again, car is all steel. I'm going to pause the video then. It takes a little bit to get in and out of the car as far as getting it fired up and started. And I want to have it started and let you guys see it run and hear it run. So I will pause this video shortly after we check out the interior and get the car started, and I'll come back with everything running and we'll check out the engine bay. All right, as you can see, things were pretty simple in 1925. You have the wood floors. Of course, you do have the gas clutch and brake, 3-speed manual transmission, wood steering wheel. Let's check out the dash over here too. Get an idea on that. Again, vinyl seats in nice shape, front and rear. What you'd expect. 1925 Durant Star Touring. All right, I'm going to go ahead and pause this a second. That'll give me a chance to get in and out, get it fired up, and we'll check her out a little closer. All right, there we go. Got her fired up, and the reason it's tough to do this, you have throttle position down here, you have a choke over here, and obviously the starter on the floor and the gas on the floor. While holding this camera and trying to do all that at the same time, nearly impossible. So I did get her fired up, and any questions on how to start one of these, let us know. We can go through that with you too. Let's go ahead and open this hood up now. I think what I'm going to do is I'll probably just do it from this side. You can check out the still pictures and see the other side of the engine bay, but I wanted to let you see this motor run. gas actually runs in a vacuum. There is a switch down here, kind of an on-off or a valve for turning the fuel off, but vacuum actually runs the fuel and feeds the car. That's what it's running on now. That's how it was designed. See, it's a nice, smooth running engine. Sounds good. Starts right up when you know how to do it. Get her going. Tell you what, it won't take much. I'm going to close this side of the hood here a second. I think. Go for you. Set her down there nicely. And I'll come around and open this other side so you can see both sides of the engine bay. I'll hold this one up. I don't have to lay it back, but there it is. Both sides of the engine bay and a 25 star touring. Just set those down there for now and I'll latch them up when we pull it out. There you go. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com, or click on the link down below in the description of this video. That'll take you right to our website. Do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course, we can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at. You won't see one of these every day. Look forward to hearing from you.